Cool. So I just wanted to kind of make somewhat of a raw video, a very lightly edited video, and just kind of talk to you about why you should not work on Fiverr or Upwork as an editor. This is something that's a little bit controversial because a lot of people will say to beginners, you need to start on Fiverr or Upwork, but this is the number one thing that will destroy you and kill you as an editor, make you resent editing, make you stressed out, and honestly make you more broke than when you started, because editing on Fiverr or Upwork commoditizes you. Basically, what commoditization means is where you are fighting against other people in the same field of work as you, and the person who wins that battle is the person who charges the least amount, who eventually gets the client. That's commoditization. Basically, you're racing to the bottom on price. And sooner or later, I'm already seeing this, you're going to be battling for an edit for $40 for the edit, which is ridiculous. You should be charging hundreds of dollars for an edit. For those of you that don't know, I do one-to-one coaching where I help video editors scale their business to $10,000 a month or more. And I was on a coaching call the other day, and he mentioned to me that he was editing a video for $40, and that blew my mind. And that's what stemmed the motivation for this video, for you to stop getting off of these sites because you're commoditizing yourself against other editors. You're fighting on price, which will eventually lead to both your guys' failures. You need to go about this a completely different way because this will hold you back. Not only are you working with terrible clients, cheap-minded clients that are going to ask for a ridiculous amount of revisions, clients that aren't going to treat you like an actual human, you're going to be making significantly less than you can as an editor. Now, I've made videos before about positioning, but I really want to get this point across. Us as video editors, we're not just editors who put clips and music and effects onto a video. We're marketers, right? Without us, this person, whether they want to sell something with a video or whether they want to increase their subscribers with a video, this person only gets that result with a well-edited video, which means we're the ones giving them, providing them, bringing them that result. So we need to position ourselves not as some guy who's going to put some clips together for $40, but as somebody who's going to bring a high-level result to these individuals who want an edit. Therefore, we need to charge a high price for it. And when you position yourself and think about it this way as an editor, that's when things really start to change with how much you make as an editor. You're able to charge significantly higher prices, and you're able to work with clients one-to-one in a very, very awesome way, a really fun way. You're able to collaborate. You're able to work with clients who are really cool, unlike when you're on Fiverr and Upwork, where you're just another profile. And listen, I started on Upwork and Fiverr too, and I quickly got off when I realized it. This was terrible. And this was 6 years ago. It was a little bit different, but now it's completely, for a beginner, I would just say absolutely stay away from it. Even for experience, there's better ways to get experience. So just to wrap this up, I just wanted to quickly come on here and just tell you to get off of Fiverr and Upwork because I'm seeing too many talented editors doing this to their own demise. So get off of Fiverr, get off of Upwork. And if you want to learn how to actually scale as an editor to $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month as an editor, then I want you to click the first link in the description below, which will take you to my Instagram account. And I want you to DM me, and I want to just have a conversation with you about this, help you out, see where you're struggling, see kind of what you're doing, and how I can help you get to that next level. So if that's something that interests you, go visit my Instagram page, send me a DM, and I look forward to connecting with you. And maybe I can just give you a few tips on, the right places to go in order to go get clients that will actually convert and make you a lot of money. So anyways, as always, I'm rooting for you guys. And remember, stay off of Fiverr and Upwork.